In the world of IT asset management, ITAM, organizations strive to optimize the lifecycle of their IT assets, encompassing hardware, software, and related infrastructure. A fundamental objective of ITAM is to meticulously inventory and monitor IT assets, ensuring precise records of their location, ownership, and utilization. Efficient asset utilization is a core focus of ITAM, enabling organizations to minimize waste, enhance efficiency, and maximize return on investment (ROI). Software license management is integral to ITAM, guaranteeing compliance with licensing agreements to avert penalties and legal complications. Cost reduction is a significant benefit of ITAM, achieved through optimizing asset usage and effectively managing software licenses. ITAM plays a crucial role in mitigating risks associated with IT assets, such as security vulnerabilities, data breaches, and equipment malfunctions. Furthermore, ITAM provides invaluable support for decision-making by offering essential data and insights for strategic IT planning. Key components of an ITAM program include asset discovery and inventory, tracking the entire lifecycle of IT assets, and managing software licenses effectively. Asset reporting and analytics are vital aspects of ITAM, providing detailed reports and data analysis to facilitate informed decision-making and continuous enhancement. Establishing and enforcing robust policies and procedures form the foundation of effective ITAM, governing the management of IT assets comprehensively.